what could happen if you don't clean your washing machine? Let's talk about it here. Blake with BlvdHome, and today we're going to talk about this lovely machine right here. This is an LG machine, and this has nothing to do with LG. This happens with all manufacturers, so we're just happen to be standing by it because later on we're going to show you some pictures and they happen to be from an LG machine. So, have you ever wondered why your clothes kind of come out like this sometimes? So this picture was sent to me by one of my technicians not too long ago, and he sent me a message that says, hey, what can cause this? And I said to him, well, we have a couple options that this could be. Okay, what could they be? And I said, well, either A, the transmission is leaking oil, or B, they're not cleaning their washing machine. I said, pull the agitator, look underneath it. You can see him, the agitator's out, he's looking at the bottom of it, and he's seeing all this dirt on it, and he's looking into the very bottom of it, and you can see all this sludge and all this other junk that's down in the bottom. That's what's causing it, because people aren't cleaning their wash machines, because all the new wash machines are low water usage wash machines. And if we were talking about this before, the normal cycle, you know, the devil, normal cycle, devil, they are low water usage machines. The normal cycle is the eco cycle. I don't care what manufacturer tells you on top of machines, that is the eco cycle. It is going to give you the least amount of water it can give you. It's going to give you the coolest amount of water it can give you. What happens? Well, all that dirt and sludge stay in this small bits of water inside the machine, and you get a concentrate of dirt and muck and junk, and it gets into the machine in the outer tub, under the agitator, and eventually it builds up enough that it comes up into the machine. On the machine that I have here, this is on a wash plate, and I pulled the wash plate out of this wash machine. Now this is what's under the wash plate. That's where you don't have the agitator. Now this can happen on both types of machines. It's not specific to one or the other. Now it is more severe with the ones with the wash plate, strictly because everything is kind of stuck down low and it doesn't move as much, but it can happen to both. This machine wasn't too bad, but I've got another picture here I'm going to show you. Now this was the machine that I went out on. This was terrible, terrible. Her clothes were coming out, big brown marks all over them. I mean, she's like, I can't wear these. And I'm thinking, yeah, I wouldn't be wearing this either. I mean, you look like Pigpen from the Peanuts cartoon. I mean, I'm sure you'd look like that with all these black marks on it. And she goes, what's broken on my machine that caused it? And I says, it's probably dirty. Well, no, it's not. And I says, yeah, it is. Let's take off the agitator and look. And here's the picture. I was literally taking a putty knife, and scraping off all that stuff out of the machine. It looked terrible. And she's like, well, how did this happen? You're not cleaning your machine? Do I have to? How do I respond to that when somebody asks me that? I mean, really, somebody could tell me, how am I supposed to respond to that? So when she says that to me, my professionalism, you know, I have this face. And inside I'm like, really? Really? So with every wash machine, they have this nice little button on them. It says tub clean. Well, I had no idea what that was for. I thought you just use it sometimes. Well, I guess the machine just cleans itself. It's just magic. Little gremlins come in at night and clean it out for you. But no, that doesn't happen. You have to clean your machine. I'm sure there's some people out there that probably pound on the keyboard. That's me, don't be knocking the way I do this stuff. I'm not knocking you, I just don't understand that logic. You know, it's kind of like cast iron. Some people are pure, don't put soap in them, some do this. But with this, you have to clean your machine. If not, this is what the result's going to be. And this is what is going to happen to your clothing, because as you get the sludge is going to come off, start coming off in chunks, and it's going to start going onto your clothes, and your whites are going to start getting splotchy. You're going to say, there's something wrong with my machine. No, you just didn't clean it. Now you have to have somebody come out to clean it for you, which isn't a manufacturing defect. Just throwing that in there, you know. Well, it's under warranty, right? Yeah, for manufacturing defects, they didn't make you not clean the machine, just saying. Now, we have to clean the machine out for you, get all the big chunks out of it, and then we have to tell you to run a washing machine cleaner through it every 60 wash loads. A good one, Let Me Shine, highly recommended. A fresh, it works if you're in a pinch. Other ones, don't even think about using them. Let Me Shine is the best one, in my opinion. I get no money. Let Me Shine, you listen to me, I'm just telling you. Send some money my way, because I love your product. I love your stuff. That's why I recommend it, because it works. So with front loads, yes, they do need to be cleaned also. You're generally not gonna get this type of sludge under the agitator, but you will get a sludge, and it can come up. So again, front load machines, you have to do the same thing also. Use Lemishine, it's fantastic. If you're going to use a normal cycle, beware that this is a product of that, because low water, dirt concentrate, this is what you're going to get. Definitely use a different cycle than the normal cycle. Use deep wash, quick wash, and a heavy duty. If I had these options right here, I would basically take a deep wash or I would take a heavy duty on this machine. That's what I would do. Even though your clothes aren't heavy duty and heavily soiled, it's going to give you the water that you want. This does have a deep fill button. Even if you select it with the deep fill button, it's not going to give you as much water on a normal cycle and deep fill as it will with heavy duty cycle and a normal and a deep fill wash. I guarantee it. Again, they're trying to save water. It's going to fill up the tub all the way. I get it. But would you rather have your clothes clean with a big load, or would you rather have this mess because you don't have enough water? Because people that have been around for a while, or people who can think, well, gosh, with my parents' old machine, I didn't have to clean it. You're right, you didn't, because that used a ton of water and it would dilute all that dirt and stuff and send it down the drain. These new machines are different. So your checklist is, don't use the normal cycle. If I am going to use the normal cycle, make sure that it's a small cycle. If your machine says tub clean on it anywhere, it's not for looks. It's for using. Use a good cleaner, Lemishine. Save yourself the hassle, save your clothes, save the service call, and be happy with your machine and make your family happy, because you don't have to worry about the laundry. That's my public service announcement for today, and I'm signing off now. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something from this video. I hope it's given you some insight on what you can do to make your life better and easier and make your machines run better, last longer, and not have problems with them. We have lots of other videos that I've done talk about different things, so check them out. If you like me, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again real soon.